Is a toothache causing you pain? Don't worry, you're not alone. Stick around because in this video I'll show you some easy remedies to help with tooth pain at home. Trust me, you will want to see all these tips. Let's start with 2 quick ways to feel better. First up is saltwater rinse. Keep watching to learn how this simple remedy can make a big difference. Mix a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water. Then swish it around in your mouth for a few minutes. This can help reduce swelling and is good for early tooth infections. Now, don't go anywhere because our next tip is just as important. Try using cold. If your tooth hurts because of sore nerve or swelling, cold can help. Wrap some ice in a towel and hold it on your cheek where it hurt. Do this for about 15 to 20 minutes at a time. But wait, there is more. Stay tuned for one more remedy that might surprise you. It's clove oil. It has something in it that can numb pain. But be careful when you use it. Mix it with a little coconut oil or olive oil first. Then use a cotton swab to put few drops on the sore tooth. Keep watching because what I am about to say next is crucial. These home remedies can help, but they are not as good as seeing a dentist. If your tooth still hurts after a few days, or if you get fever or swelling, you should see a dentist right away. We are almost at the end, but don't click away just yet. I have some important advice coming up. Remember, taking care of your teeth every day is the best way to avoid tooth pain. Brush and floss regularly. And don't forget to see your dentist for checkup. Did this video help you? If so, please click the like button below. And if you want more health tips, subscribe to our channel. Take care of your teeth and keep smiling.